What's up, you guys? My name's Amber. I'm CCS's social media manager, and today we're going to be checking in with our fashion accessory design and color and material design programs. The last time that you saw them, we were in New York City touring the Eileen Fisher showroom and factory. So now we're about halfway through the semester, and it's time for the students to present what they have done to the Eileen Fisher team, and they're going to give us feedback. I just wanted to take this moment to say I'm so sorry about my voice. I have a horrible cold, so don't get too close to me. At the end of the semester, the fashion accessory design students will have designed a 5-piece collection, and the color and materials design students will be presenting a color and materials palette that supports the Eileen Fisher brand and future customers.
But I just want to say, amazing, amazing work. I've been we both have been so excited, for weeks
really
to be able to get here. And it's only been a few weeks, I feel like, since we've been together. So the fact that you've done what you've done in a short period of time, and the differences and the creativity, and I'm over the top excited. So thank you. And I know you've all worked really hard. But I can tell the passion, and the passion in each one of you is different, and I love that diversity. So really, thank you very much, and I look forward to December. But I just want you to bask in the moment right now, because it's amazing. Thank you, everyone.
Make sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any new videos. Don't forget to follow us on social media at CCS_Detroit, and we'll see you at finals.